Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete photos on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. You can see over here Grindr application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete your photo, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down, find the option for edit profile and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the edit profile interface. You'll be able to find your profile informations over here. At top, you'll be able to see all the photos that you've uploaded. Simply tap on the photos. Now you'll be able to see the photos over here. So deleting the photo is actually very simple. In every photo at top right corner, you'll be able to find the cross icon. So simply tap on the cross icon on the photo that you want to delete. Now once you do that, you can see over here that photo will be removed. Once you're done, tap on the save option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the photo has been deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete the photo. So that is how you delete photo on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.